Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how you can connect Xfinity Wi-Fi on PS5. So for that, you have to follow all these steps. Just listen these steps. First of all, turn on your PS5. For that, just go to the home screen of your PS5. Open Network Settings. Go to your settings, then Network, then set up internet connection. Now select Wi-Fi network. Choose Xfinity or Xfinity Wi-Fi from the list of available networks. Connect to network. If prompted, enter the Wi-Fi password. If it's a public hotspot, wait for the PS5 to show a sign-in screen. Authenticate. If using public Xfinity Wi-Fi, a browser will pop up. Sign in using your Xfinity ID and password. Accept any terms or login confirmations. Test connection. After signing in, go back and test the connection from the network menu. You are connected. Once so successful, you can now play online or access downloads. So this is the way how you can connect Xfinity Wi-Fi on PS5. Thank you for watching.